Hey, boys and girls. Today, we're going to work on phonemic segmentation, initial consonant distortion. That means something is missing at the beginning, and we have to fix it. So our friend Leo wants to come out for this game and play with us to see if we can fix this, okay? Oh, Leo! Hello, boys and girls. Hi, Leo. How are you doing this morning? Good. How are you? I'm doing okay. Are you ready to get started? The boys and girls are waiting to get started, okay? Uh-huh. All right, so Leo, what we're going to do today is we're going to do initial consonant distortion, okay? So that means something is left off at the beginning. You understand? All right, so let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you somebody's name, okay? We're going to start off with the name Susan. What did I say, everybody? Susan. Susan. Susan? Is that right? What was the name? Yes, guys. Tell Leo the name was Susan. What sound did Leo leave off of Susan's name? Yes, the S sound. Do you hear that sound, Leo? S. He got it right that time, didn't he? So now let's try somebody else's name. Let's try Callie. You got that name? Callie. Allie. Does that sound right? We didn't say Allie. We said what, boys and girls? Yes, Callie. What sound did Leo leave off of Callie? Yes. K, 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 k. Oh, yes, Leo. Callie. Let's try another one. Let's try Logan. Ogun. We didn't say Ogun. What did we say, guys? Logan. What did Leo leave off of Logan's name? Yes, the L. You got it, Leo? Good job, Leo. Logan. All right, let's try one more, Leo. Ready? Karen. Aaron. Aaron? We didn't say Aaron, did we? No. What did Leo leave off of Karen? Good. Good job, Leo. What was the name? Karen. Good job. All right, boys and girls. Leo and I will see you tomorrow.